Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. A musician, my friend. Well, I have this subject today, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. And I'm going to use two images to get something interesting. Well, let's get started. I'm going to make a copy of it, duplicate this layer, and one for just turn it off to keep it. Then I'm going to work on this image. First of all, go for smudging using Evolve. I love this. He plays pretty mellow music. I like that. I like a couple of music. I love really soft touch music, singing about Okinawa, some of them. Well, I'm gonna duplicate this layer, smudging this layer, and looks like something, well, oil paint like touch maybe, or I might use that pencil drawing type image, then change the blend mode to get something interesting illustration type image. Well, first of all, I'm gonna smudging to get this some kind of painting drawing type image. My lighting for this shooting is LED direct light, challenged to the direct, well, sort of Hollywood lighting type. Okay, that's for smudging. That's it. Well, I'm gonna make smudge tool too big and smudge at this border. I don't know if it's gonna show up or not, but I just make it now. I may add some background color or something. Okay, that's it for now, and let's see this pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode, linear burn, color burn, kind of harsh, lighten screen. Look at this color dodge, shows his expression too, huh? Pretty interesting, isn't it? Overlays, pretty good. How about this luminosity? Well, this is pretty interesting. Okay, I want to use this overlay and luminosity. Okay, I'm gonna duplicate this pencil drawing type image. Then one of them, just leave it luminosity 50%. Okay, now the other one, turn it off, just turn it off, and this is a smudged image, right? Okay, I'm gonna rename now. This is base image. Then this one is smudged image. Now I'm gonna duplicate smudged image, two of them. Then I'm gonna work on one of this base smudge image with this pencil drawing type. Change blend mode, luminosity 50%. So I'm gonna turn the other layers off, and let's see. Okay, these two just merge down to get one image. Then I'm gonna change name, smudge image, and luminosity for 50 image. Okay, then turn it off. Now let's see next one. This is smudged image, then change blend mode, overlay 50, a little bit highlight, add some. Well, let's see. Now turn on this smudged luminosity image and then change normal blend, change blend mode normal to, let's see, multiply, darken. This is interesting color too. I like the color. Well, okay, now this is more saturated color, right? Yeah, this is pretty impression is strong. Okay, I'm gonna make these three images group. This one is overlay 50%. This layer is smudged image and luminosity 50% combined together, one layer, and now we got smudged image, which is base image, and then overlay 50 and this combined image to get this contrasty and pretty saturated color for one group. And then I'm gonna make duplicate for one group. Now I'm gonna flatten this image. Now one image, this is smudged image with luminosity 50% and overlay 50% over smudged image. Combine 4 layers together to this, right? So this is rename smudge image, luminosity 50 and overlay 50. Okay, now this is normal blend now. Overlaying gives more contrast, and also emphasize colors so much. This layer to be changed blend mode. I just bring up the color contrast and saturation to add this one. Now this is too strong, so well, make it max now. Color burn max. Result is from this base image to this. Very contrast, color contrast is up, saturation is up. I got this result because of these two, right? Okay, now from here then, let's make exciting image from here. Alright, I'm gonna add a layer over this top. Then when I try this, change color to normal to color, but now I just want to paint on this. Pick some color from here, his pants, red, and let's see about here. Use the brush tool, evolve, same thing, huh? Yeah, let's try that. So we're gonna get the same texture of the smudged image. Okay, now a little bit small, maybe 20% or so. Now I just wanna go for this edge. I don't know if it's gonna, how much it's gonna show up. Well, doesn't. Let's see, I'm gonna turn this one down. About 60, 70, okay, about 70 now. Okay, so I can see through underneath, and well, let's see. I'm gonna add some color now. Oh, wait a minute, 20%. 20%, all right, and add some yellowish, real saturated. Then change to red. Now add red again. I don't think it's gonna mix colors. Just change to orange, and maybe I can smudge this with same evolve. Okay, now let's see. Just erase using same evolve texture. Okay, that's good. Again, I'm going to add okay, this is real touch backlight image around here. I'm gonna just expand the background, the canvas size. Just attach border. I'm gonna make border first now. Then I'm gonna smudge not only this layer. I have one more layer, I think. I smudged here too. And also here. Now I want to add some other color here. Let me see, this is cool. Alright, well, I guess that's it for today. I think that's about it, huh? Well, explain to you some. This is color I just add, backlit, and these groups. Okay, 3, I smudged base image, and changed over, this is overlay, 50%. Pencil drawing type image. These 3 layers are grouped, and I merged down to get this one layer, but I changed the blend mode, color burn 80%, which gives this effective on these layers on base of this image. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And well, thank you, and I really appreciate for you guys' support. You guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.